Hello mga katima boardy in Thailand, Sawadee ka. Allow us to share with you in series our journey in Laos as we process our visa. Once we knew that the documents are already ready for us to process our visa, so we already prepared our things. I and Bella are going to do the visa run since Daddy Alvin already had his visa processed in the Philippines. There are two ways to process your visa in Laos. First, you do a DIY or do it yourself, and the second one, you go with an agency. So dahil nagtitipid tayo, kulang sa budget, at medyo matapang naman tayo, we decided to do the DIY. So we booked the hotel for only 1,245 for 3 days and 2 nights. Just keep in mind, the earlier you book the hotel, it's cheaper. Your documents are ready. You make sure you have your hotel accommodation before you go to Laos. We also book our bus ticket online from Bangkok going to Nong Khai. So maraming bus company na pwedeng pagpilian. So yung prices niya ranges from the first class down to the ordinary one. So up to you how much is your budget. So we booked the Transport Co Limited, which cost us 2,140 baht. This is for 2 passengers, back and forth na ito. So this was the day, and just the same as before, tapang-tapangan tayo kasi kasama ko ulit si Bella. And this time, second country niya na ito. Kaya hatid lang kami ni Daddy Alvin sa Mochet Bus Terminal. So kasama din namin dyan si Sir J to assist us. From our place, it will take us 1 hour to reach the nearest MRT. Since I came back again to Thailand, it's my first time to ride in the MRT, and I don't know how to go there yet from our place. So nagtanong lang si Daddy Alvin kay Ate Elena on how we can go there easily. We paid 40 Thai baht for each from Lak Song going to Chatuchak. By the way, for the bus ride, it cost us 25 Thai baht each. So from Lak Song station, you're going to have an interchange sa Tapra. So from Tapra, you're going to go upstairs and then you're going to ride again going to Chatuchak. Don't worry if it's your first time to go to Chatuchak so that you can go to Mochet Station because marami naman mga maps, and of course, if hindi nyo alam yung place, there are so many strangers, there are officers whom you can ask about the direction. Kaya pala kapag nagta-travel sa isang lugar na hindi mo pa alam, you have to make sure that you have research beforehand, so that you will not get lost. Just in case you're lost, don't worry. There are so many helpful strangers that you can ask. Huwag mahihiya kasi tried and tested ko na to. Kapag nahihiya ka, dyan ka talaga mawawala. One good thing about traveling to a place you've never been to is you will gain the confidence. Confidence na hindi yung mayabang ka, but that confidence na kaya mong pumunta sa isang lugar, nagtanong,